Good morning, it's Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2018 Toyota Sienna L. This, like most of our vans, is a mobility wheelchair accessible van. It has a brand new ATS rear entry conversion. This is all manual ramp and door, very easy to operate, very little to go wrong. And you can see on this ramp, look how wide that is. This is one of our 42-inch wide ramps, 42. The standard side entry are 30 inches, so this is 1 foot wider than standard entry. You can see here in the back, very easy to operate the ramp, but I can do it all with 2 fingers. I have to undo the latches. This ramp has a handle on either side. It's spring assisted, so watch here, I can grab it with 1 finger. I've got only my index finger on here. I take this to the ground using 1 finger. Once I've got the ramp down, and you can see the width of this ramp, this is almost as wide as the whole darn van. The standard Toyota rear entry are 36 inches. This is 6 inches wider than that, like I said, 42. So this canal goes all the way up front here. A whole lot of room. It's got 2 tie downs in the back, 4 in the center, and 2 up front for a total of 8. So this van will hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney or stretcher. And you can see the room between these seats. I mean, just plenty of room. Can fit almost any chair up in here. As far as the van inside, the thing looks about brand new. It's a 2018, only has 7,000 miles on it. It's a clean title, of course. We only buy high-end stuff. I don't buy junk. You can see it's got the backup camera, dual climate control. The driver can be 1 temperature, the passenger can be a 2nd temperature, and it has the rear air controls, so your passengers in the rear can have air too. It's got the rubber floor mats, which I like those a lot better. They last a lot longer than the carpet. You can see all electronics down there, your plug-ins. Like I said, everything in here, carpet. Got the rear air controls there as well, in case the passengers in the back, if they can reach those, they can adjust their own air. Has a spare tire. So when you've got all your passengers secure, come back out. Again, watch, 1 finger, that's all it takes. I tell our customers, if you can lift a half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate these ramps with no problems whatsoever. Latch it all back down. And again, this is all manual, all very easy to do, very little to go wrong. Those electric ramps and doors, they are nice, they're just push of a button. But when something goes wrong, it's going to be at the most inconvenient time, and it's going to be a whole lot of money to fix. This van, it looks wonderful, has a I believe there's 17-inch alloy wheels, I'm sorry. All these tires have a whole bunch of tread left on them. As I do a walk around the van, I can hardly find a dent or scratch in. I really can't. It's just, we bought this van, it's darn near brand new condition. I mean, to be honest, I can't even find a scratch or ding on it. I'm not saying there's not a single tiny scratch or something on it, but I'm saying this van looks brand new. I do see 1 sign of touch-up paint here on the bumper, about the size of my fingernail. But we looked this thing over quite a bit. That's the only spot I can see. These new vinyl seats here in the back, these are aftermarket seats. They provide a lot more room between the seats. They're vinyl, they're very easy to clean. If you get any spills on them, anything wet, they clean very easy. This is the Toyota Sienna L, which means it just has the manual doors. Very little to go wrong. They just slide manually. They are not power. And it has a manual seat. The LEs have the electric seat. It's really the only difference between the L and the LE that I can see. The interior looks brand new. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke in this vehicle going on. You can see the current mile, 7329. These vans come from Toyota with a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and a 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. And then ramp conversion comes with a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty from the day you buy it. Van fires right up perfectly. No check engine lights. The fuel gauge is full. Like I said, it does have the backup camera. Great safety feature to have, whether you're driving this or you have employees driving it. Got the steering wheel control, so you or your employees or your family can keep their eyes on the road if they want to adjust the radio. Let's pop the hood, let's look underneath. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 Toyota V6. Idles perfectly, everything again. You can hear me say this over and over. Everything looks brand new because this is basically a brand new van. Underneath the van, this is just important as what's going on up top. You can see no signs of any damage, no signs of any water, no signs of any rust. That's what we want. We inspect these vehicles very thoroughly before we purchase them. So no matter who you buy from, make sure they go out and do it. Crawl into the van. They do a video like this for you. If they won't spend 20-30 minutes making a video, then who you buying from? Know who you're buying from. A lot of people get taken advantage of online. Buy from a company like us that has an A+ rating with a Better Business Bureau. Buy from a company like Affordable Mobility Solutions like us that have over 500 reviews on eBay, 0 negative feedback, 500 positive feedback. I'd say that's a pretty good record of dealing with customers. 500 people say you did a good job, 0 say you did a bad job. So let's get the vehicle out on the highway. I want you to listen to it run. Okay, the last portion of the video, I always like to get the vans on a test drive. Radio works, and I want to show you they're highway worthy. We've tested all the power mirrors. We've had our ASE certified mechanics inspect these vans, inspect all the fluids. All the power mirrors work, all the power locks, power windows, everything works. This is not some van where it seems like a really great price and then you show up to look at it and you say to yourself, oh, well, there's a reason it was a good price. This is an extremely high quality van, pretty much, again, brand new condition. Let's get it on the highway. I'm gonna give it some gas. I want you to hear it run. I want you to see that hear that transmission shift, hear that engine run strong. Gets up to 65 miles an hour, no problems. You can see the steering wheel is very sturdy. I'm driving with no hands, drive straight down the highway right now. This van track's very straight. Cruise control works good. So keep in mind, I know there's a lot of companies out there selling mobility vans. Again, remember, we have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. We get out and make videos of our vans so you can see exactly what you're getting. My goal is the first time you lay eyes on this van, whether you come look at it or we ship it to your home or business, you say to yourself, that's exactly the van Jeremiah was representing. That's our goal. Keep in mind also, we don't have any hidden administrative fees or document fees or tag fees. So many dealers out there, they put a decent price and then they try to slap $1,000 of fees on you on the back end. I don't do business that way. We give you a free 60-day tag and we have absolutely 0 added fees. What I'll do here is I'll take a next exit. I'll give the van a hard brake at the bottom of the exit. So you can see there's no brake noise, no grinding. As I come in, no grinding, no brake noise. Everything sounds and runs like new on this van. So if you'd ever like to schedule an appointment to come by and look at one of our vans, please always call me and make an appointment first. We're very busy. A lot of times we're out doing things like this. We don't want to miss you. We know your time's valuable. So call and make an appointment. My name's Jeremiah, 316-262-8267. That's 316-262-VANS. Also, check us out 24 hours a day on our website, www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And yeah, excuse our extra floor mats back there. We'll get those picked up, but that's all they are. And if you ever want to see this van before you go spending this kind of money on it, I do understand. Say you live in Dallas or St. Louis or Kansas City or Tulsa, we can put this van on a trailer. We can bring it to you. You can put your hands on it before you actually agree to purchase. Now, we can't work for free, but I'll work out a fair rate with you. So I can bring a van to you. You can save about $15,000 on what the other guys are selling these vans for. There's no tricks. There's no gimmicks. We just, we're not trying to make $20,000 a van. So, as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call me today.